In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track clients, jobs, and expenses, and how to create invoices and estimates for services efficiently. This guide will equip you with the essential tools and knowledge to streamline your business processes, allowing you to focus more on providing excellent services and less on the administrative tasks. To start, let's dive into the client management process. Maintaining an organized list of your clients is crucial for successful client interactions and job tracking. Start by creating a client database, preferably in a digital format like a spreadsheet or a customer relationship management tool. Include important details such as their contact information, the services you provide them, and any specific notes that might help personalize your service. This foundational step is imperative in keeping client communication streamlined and personalized. Next, we move to job tracking. For each client, you want to ensure that every project is managed effectively. Create a system where you can assign individual jobs to each client and track them through their life cycle, from assignment to completion. You might want to consider using project management software for seamless tracking, which not only monitors the progress of each job, but also helps to delegate tasks better if you're working with a team. Be sure to include deadlines to keep everything on schedule and avoid last-minute hiccups. Once the job tracking is underway, it's time to focus on expenses. Keeping track of all the expenses associated with each client and job is not just about good bookkeeping, it helps you understand the profitability of each project. Record all related costs such as materials, labor, and other overheads in your preferred format. This practice will help you make informed decisions about pricing and budget management in the future. Now, we arrive at one of the most vital parts of our guide, managing your invoices and estimates. Start by setting up an invoice template. Having a ready-to-go template saves time and ensures consistency. Make sure it includes all the necessary details, your business information, the client's details, the service provided, costs, a unique invoice number, and the payment terms. The presentation of your invoice should be clear and professional, as it is a reflection of your business's professionalism. Regarding estimates, these should also follow a similar format. An estimate is typically an approximation of what a project might cost, and having a well-constructed template can make a huge difference. Be sure to specify that it's an estimate to avoid any misunderstandings later. Clearly outline the scope of work and potential costs involved so your client knows what to expect. Finally, ensure you have a reliable follow-up process. Once